In today's video, I'm going to show you the way that you enable push notifications inside of Acorns. If you want to get notifications about any new updates or any new messages that you may have inside of Acorns, let me show you the quick steps that you need to follow. From the app of Acorns, you need to head over to the profile section, which is on the top left of the screen. Once you tap on the profile icon, you'll be taken to the profile section where you can see a few options. In order to turn on the notifications, tap on settings. Inside of my settings, you'll be able to see the option called devices. And inside of device, the first option you'll see is notifications. Now you can just tap on the notifications option and you can turn on your preferred notification apart from push notifications as well. Inside the notifications option, you'll get notification options such as push notification, email notifications, and SMS notifications. Make sure you enable any of the notifications that you want. Just toggle that option on and you'll now start to get notifications on your phone. So that was a video about the way that you enable push notifications inside of Acorns. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more informative videos just like this.